Hey guys, Stephen Phillips here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Aries tube doors, and with Aries we have Keith. How you doing, Keith?
Doing fantastic. Yourself?
I am doing great.
Excellent.
So Keith, tell us more about these doors here.
What we have here is, of course, Aries Automotive is always looking to enhance your outdoor experience. What we bring to you is a one-piece aluminum door. This is a hardened T6, TIG welded, and then also we put a nice texture powder coat finish on this product as well. The other thing that we've done is we've incorporated a paddle handle with a lock system on it. What's unique about this is you're able to lock your doors up as well.
Yep.
The other nice feature is the way it hits your striker. When you get these, they're going to come right out of the box. You're going to be able to put them on your door, and it's going to match up to your striker. You're not going to have to do any shimming or anything along that line. So very nice, lightweight, one-piece, hardened T6 TIG welded aluminum with a texture finish, paddle handle with locks. Now these are also available for the TJ. We also have them for the JK and a couple of other models out there. So if you don't have a TJ model specifically, check our websites and we can hook you up with it.
Absolutely. Now I also noticed you have these provisions for mirrors as well.
Yes.
Now can we work with all mirrors, or are there any catches?
No, the one catch we're going to have is with the power mirror.
Okay.
When you have a power mirror, it's a little different configuration, and there's a piece that sticks out on the back of the mirror that will not mesh up with this.
Gotcha.
We tried to explain that in the instruction manual as well,
Yeah,
that this will
for
not
sure.
work with the power mirrors. So any aftermarket OE style mirror will bolt right up onto this without any problem and give you a fantastic look.
And you all do provide the hardware as well to make that happen, right?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Now the last thing I'll mention about just who this is for, first of all, if you are a rock crawler, if that is kind of your thing that you like to do, this is the perfect fit for you because that aluminum makes it so lightweight. It's great for those Jeeps where weight is a concern, but also practically because these have those that tube design, you can actually use all these spaces for better view on those rocks. When you need that vision, you have it. So that's another great benefit to these doors. Now last but not least, let's talk about the installation very briefly on, let's just say for the average Joe.
Okay.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how difficult do you think this is going to be?
On a
But
1
also
to 10,
time.
I would say it's probably going to be in the range of about a 4. This is
Okay.
actually a relatively easy system to change over. Removing your factory doors is a little more challenging, especially if you have any power features built into the door.
Yeah.
Once you open up the door, inside of the door jamb above the kick panel, there is a plug. Once you access that panel, you can simply unplug the plug that's in there, and then they have a web safety strap that keeps the door from flying open. You also remove that as well, and then the door will come off of there. You do also have to take a couple of bolts off of the bottom of the factory door. Once the door is off of there, this simply just slides into place. You put a nut and a washer on the bottom of this, and everything's all aligned and ready to go. Now with these doors, we also give you a webbing strap on the inside, and I'm going to slide right over here real quick for you. So when you do open this door, it's only going to go to one certain distance. It's not going to fling over and slap and damage your vehicle. So, I mean, it's a very well thought out, well laid out piece, and it gives a fantastic look to the vehicle as well.
It really is. Now if we're going to talk about time, how long do you think this would take for the average installer at home?
I would say the average installer at home, we're probably looking at 10 to 15 minutes per door the first time. After that, it's going to trim down.
It's quicker.
Of course,
Yep,
exactly.
for sure.
Exactly. One other thing I wanted to cover with you while we got the door is we also put a rattle cushion on this as well. A lot of the doors out there, what happens is when you close the door, they don't have the rattle stop on there, so you get a rattle like this.
Definitely.
When this thing locks into place, it clicks into the striker. This is rock solid. You're not going to get the rattling out of it. So we've thought of everything we could for the trail rider, as well as the people that are, using it for just driving down a highway or going shopping or their everyday usage as well.
For sure, and that's very clear in the design.
Yes.
So guys, tell me if you have any questions or just concerns about the product in general, leave those in the comments below. Keith and I will be happy to answer those for you. But if you want part numbers or maybe even where you can go to find this at a local dealer near you, check the description below the video. We'll have everything for you there as well. Now Keith, before we go, thanks again for tuning in today.
My pleasure. Thank you for having us.
Yes, sir. Thanks again. Now, if you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe, and maybe click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.